angels, and welcome back to my channel. It is Ray Natural here, back with another video to help you live your blessed life in the most frugal way possible. Today's video is for the financially frugal angel in you. As promised, in this new year I will be giving you all more product reviews on my Ray Natural playlist, and this is the first one, and I'm so excited to give this to you. Special thanks goes out to Beauty Lumini for sponsoring this video. Yes, this is a sponsored video, but I'll let you know this is not my first request for a sponsored video. I will not do sponsored videos if I do not like the product myself, because it is my intention to help you save your coin. As you can see from the title of this video, this wig is from Amazon. Yes, Amazon, and it is 2020. I don't have to remind you all, do not sleep on Amazon. If you are sleeping on Amazon, I am here to wake you up. It is a one-stop shop for all your last minute needs, and I have found out that includes wigs as well. So for the initial review of this 360 lace frontal wig, it is in the texture Water Wave. It has 180% density. It is also in the length 22 inches. It is pre-plucked with baby hairs. So when you get your box, you're going to open it, and this is beautiful token. Red is, I know, a good luck thing in China, so it was nice to see that because this was manufactured in China, they included that little token. It was just a nice cultural touch there. You're going to have your wig, of course, all bagged up. In that wig bag, there's also a extension elastic band in there that I did not show you all, but you do have that extra strap for security. There's a headband. It gave me some springtime vibes. You're going to get a 2-pack of a wig cap, and it matched my skin tone, so that was a plus. And they also had some more information on their company. They are an Amazon vendor. They also included ways to make more money by liking them, adding them on social media, and Baby Savvy is here to help me out, of course. So as far as my review on the wig itself, like I said, I would not be doing this review if I did not like the product I got. The lace was really nice and transparent. I only had to add my foundation underneath, but this is without a concealer on my part, y'all. And I'm so happy because it's a water wave, and I'll be frequently using things like mousse and water on this hair. I didn't want to have to do the concealer on the part, and I don't think I have to. So that is a plus for me because of the texture. The baby hairs were really nice in ratio to the density of the hair. It was pre-plucked. I didn't have to pluck anything. I just like that. It's mama ready, okay? I didn't have to worry about plucking too many baby hairs or not plucking enough. It was already done for me and done very well, in my opinion. The hair itself is really nice. It's really nice and soft. I did add mousse to this hair and a little bit of gel to the hair to slick it down at the top, but it was so easy and just user friendly to install this wig. The hair was really nice when I initially washed it. One drawback was there was this like beauty supply, beauty emporium hair smell when you get the hair. So I of course had to wash it. Any hair that I receive I wash anyways, so it wasn't a major drawback, but I did notice it was a little bit of a smell to the hair. But after washing it, the hair was just so gorgeous and pretty. You could actually just wear it like that. But this is my hair after sleeping in it. I don't normally sleep in my wigs, but I wanted to give you all a realistic idea of what you would have to go through if you decide to sleep in the wigs. I woke up, it was very full. I added a little water to my hands and basically just ran my hands through the hair. And because I had product on it last night, it just went back to this state, which I really like. I do want to thank you all for watching. It means so much for me to have you all watching my video, watching my content, supporting, liking, sharing, coming back. If this is your first time here, welcome, 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 and I hope you stay. This would not be a YouTube video if I did not ask you to go ahead and subscribe and to smash that like button. And as always, I am praying that you all continue to live your blessed life and be blessed.